Welcome to Ideal Comfort Heating and Cooling Corporation, your go-to commercial AC servicer. Founded in 1983, we provide our services in Rancho, Cucamonga, California, and the surrounding areas. We specialize in AC repair, duct cleaning, swamp cooler repair, and much more. With a knowledgeable and committed team, we strive for excellence and provide quality services. For more info, call 909-989-6554 or stop by our website for more details. We are open weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., so stop by today. We look forward to servicing you.